Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create more than one list at the same time in Best Buy. This is what is invariably saying how to create a bulk list or bulk custom list in Best Buy. Now, I'd like you to know that you will not be able to do that in a Best Buy regular account, which is what you're seeing right here in the screen. So if you launch a Best Buy, you can head over to Best Buy Business, click on Best Buy Business for you to create a Best Buy Business account. Now, after creating the Best Buy business account and your account has been approved by Best Buy, usually it takes 3 to 5 business days. This is what you're going to do. So first off, I'd like you to know the benefit of uploading a bulk file, all right, as a custom list in Best Buy. A bulk file is a tool that enables the upload of large volumes of records at one time by reading each record from a CSV file. And the CSV bulk upload file is a simple format. I can use the CSV format for simple content ingestion based on imported source media files and the related metadata. All right, so here is what you can do to create a bulk file or to create more than one list at the same time in Best Buy, which is a bulk file. First, launch your seller account. That's the Best Buy Marketplace, Best Buy Business account. Once you launch the seller account, then go to My Inventory tab, which is going to be found on the home page of your Best Buy Business. Click on the My Inventory tab and it's going to show you a window that has an extended menu. So the first option you're going to find is import from file. So click on the import from file option, follow this cursor. This is how it's going to be like. Once you click on My Inventory, you're going to find import a file and track other imports. You're going to find track product import. So click on import a file and it's going to take you to this window. So from this window at the left corner, you're going to find this option under import your inventory in the operator format. So go ahead and click on configure and download in operator Excel file template and ensure that this is set to normal, that your import mode has been set to normal. Of course, click here in this drop down menu to select your file content and of course the source of the file. So set it to normal and click on configure and download an operator Excel file template. Now once you do that, in this page, that's this new page you're going to find. Once you do that, you're going to find a new page that's configure and download an operator Excel file template. So in this page, you're going to click on choose your desired options from select a file template to download section, which is here. All right, so if you want to download only product file, then select product option, or if you want to download product and offer file, then select product and offers option. So these are the options. You have product, you have offers, you have product and offers. So select anyone that suits the list that you want to upload. Now, once you do that, you need to select the all. It's going to take you to another window that says select the requirements level of attributes. So click on all, required, recommended, and optional. You're going to see these 3 options, but click on the first one, which is all, from the drop down menu. Then here where you have select the categories, that's this segment. You're going to select your targeted product category from the list. You can also search the category or product keyword. Now you can select one or more multiple categories under one feed file. And then here you get lots of categories like these here. So select one or more. And once you do that, you're going to have to select the category. After selecting the category, just click on the generate template button, which you're going to find at the bottom of that window. So once you click on generate template, it's going to take you to this window. So it says after generating the template, click on the download option to download your bulk file. So this is it. So click on this download option at the top of that window, click on it. So once you click on it, it says your downloaded feed file is ready to work. It will be ready to work. Now open the feed file and fill up the required attributes. So in here you have this required attributes. Here, category code, you have title, short description, brand name, primary UPC, model number. So click on it. Now after putting all the data on the field file, go to the import from file option from the My Inventory menu tab. Remember where we find this, right? So go ahead to the home page, click on My Inventory. You're going to find import from file. Now select import from file. It's going to take it from the top. Now upload your prepared feed file from your computer by clicking on the select a file option and then select products from the file content attributes, which you're going to find. Now you're just one step away to complete the process. Now, once you're done with that, click on the import button list. Click on the import button to list your products using the bulk file. This is where you're going to find the import button. So click on that. And once you click on that, You can check the report of your uploaded bulk file by clicking on the track product import, which you're going to find at the left corner of your screen from the file import page. So this is pretty much how you can create more than one list or a bulk list at the same time in Best Buy. Then go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.